Hello, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about saturated fats and insulin resistance. Okay, so a lot of times when you see in the news or on YouTube videos, there's a certain group of people that are really pushing that saturated fats are the cause of diabetes, problems with insulin sensitivity and insulin resistance. So I just want to talk about some of the studies that are out there that are so-called, they're using as proof. So check this out. There's 5 really high quality studies that were done that compare consuming saturated fats to unsaturated fats. And 4 of the 5 studies showed absolutely no difference at all in any difference in relating to insulin sensitivity or insulin resistance, okay? Now the 5th study, called the Kenwu Study, and that's the one that's most cited, most used in this argument. They used butter and margarine, okay, as their saturated fats. And it showed that it was almost statistically significant, kind of like being almost pregnant. So if you're almost pregnant, does that mean you're pregnant? So almost is not proof that consuming saturated fats will lead to diabetes, okay? So you can pretty much invalidate that study. And they pretty much omit all these other 4 studies. Okay, now there's other studies too that were more of a trial, and especially the large European lipogene random controlled diet trial. And they found that when you consume saturated fats, it had no effect on insulin sensitivity after 12 weeks. So I think the bottom line is, number one, a lot of these studies you have to pay for. You have to pay like it's $32 or $35 per study. No one's going to do that. Number 2, even if they have the studies, it's almost in Latin for most people. They can't understand, they can't really read it because there's too many big words, and they don't have the time. So they depend on other people who give you secondhand data on their interpretation of the study, which they can just pretty much say anything they want. So the next time you hear this on the news that, oh, it's saturated fats are bad, pull the string and find out who told you that, where did that come from, get the study. And if you're nervous about it, pay for the study, get it out, read it, or have someone that is credible translate it for you. Thanks for watching. Hi guys. Hey, listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now, and we'll send you a report.